Dr. Suzanne Yee joins us today to talk about a growing trend of cosmetic surgery for men. So she brought a man. That's right. Dale Knoll is here because he has had some of her procedures, so we're going to find out more about that. Welcome to both of you.
Thank you.
Let's talk about this trend, because usually we are talking about women when you come in, but you're seeing more and more men in your office.
Yes, the trend is for men to have cosmetic surgery. Used to, it was like 1% of my population of patients were men, but now it's like 10%, so it's growing.
Yeah.
Men, just like women, want to look good and feel good in their appearance, the way they look in their clothes. And let's face it, it is competitive out there.
Yeah.
So we're staying in the workforce longer, and there are meaner, younger looking people coming out there. So we want to stay on that competitive edge, and cosmetic procedures and surgery helps do that. And also, with the advent of more cosmetic procedures, there's less downtime, minimally invasive procedures, and even the surgical procedures, usually no more than 1 or 2 weeks out, and then you can get back to work. And so the trend is to get into the cosmetic procedures for rejuvenation, healthier looking, younger looking, refreshed, less tired, so you can stay competitive.
Yeah. Dale, why did you decide you wanted to have some cosmetic work done?
Well, I looked tired on the outside. I felt great on the inside. And a retired cosmetic surgeon referred me to Dr. Yee.
Very good. And you wanted your inside to match your outside,
exactly,
right? Yeah.
Absolutely.
What are some of the common procedures, Dr. Yee, that you're seeing, mainly for men?
Well, Dale had a brow lift, and he also had a facelift. So it gave him a more rejuvenated look. And you can see all the incisions that he's had. You can't see them.
I can't see them.
He can wear his hair the way it was before, and he looks great. So you can see from his before and after, he just looks better, more rejuvenated. But some of the more popular procedures that are non-surgical would include Botox, which Dale gets for maintenance, also laser hair removal and fillers. And more men are trying to get the cool sculpting to get rid of that little bit of fat they have without surgery.
Right, we talked about that too.
Some of the surgical procedures would include liposuction. That's probably the #1 procedure that men get, and even in my practice that's so. There's rhinoplasties or nose surgeries, and then upper eyelid surgeries. And something a lot of men don't talk about, but it's pretty popular, is breast reduction surgery.
Okay, yeah.
So those are all the more popular things that men get.
Talk a little bit about the trend, sort of, because you said there used to be sort of a boyish look everybody wanted, but now it's a little more chiseled, sort of.
Yes, just like with fashion, there's a trend in cosmetic surgery of ways people want to look. Before, or a few years ago, it was the Zac Efron look, the Leonardo DiCaprio, where it's sort of a boyish look. Now they go for the more square, stronger chin. And so, like like my favorite, 007.
Daniel Craig.
Daniel Craig.
Which 007? Daniel Craig.
Daniel Craig and John Hamm. And so we've seen an uptick in chin implants and liposuction for the jawline to give that more square, stronger jawline. Like Dale already has that.
He didn't have to have a chin implant.
I did not.
Yeah. How do you feel now when you look in the mirror after?
I feel great.
Yeah.
Her staff is amazing. Her facility is amazing. It's just been a great experience.
Do you feel like you match your insides now?
I do now.
I think he looks like a movie star.
He's so handsome.
What was the recovery like, as far as, downtime and soreness?
Well, actually, I got one of her nurses came home with me for a couple of days, and I was off work maybe a week or so, and it was great. It's been a great experience.
You would suggest it to others?
Absolutely.
What did some of your friends say after they saw you?
Well, actually, I've had one of my friends had cosmetic surgery last year, and I was the caretaker for her. So, and Dr. Yee, of course, did her.
And you took care of her while she was recovering?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So if somebody wants to look into this, I mean, they shouldn't be frightened to just come in and sort of sit down and just have a consultation, right?
Yeah, just come in and talk with me. I can give you all your options, from surgical to non-surgical options, and if there are some things that you want to do, I can tell you whether it's realistic or not.
Right.
It's just having a conversation and getting comfortable and trying to decide what you want and what your goals are. And there's no cost to that except just your time.
Yeah. I think there used to be the thing women had to keep up, with their looks, but men could gracefully age and gray. But now some don't want to do that.
No, and it's great because you want to feel good and look good about yourself, and like I say, stay competitive in that work
Right.
world.
That's exactly right. Now Father's Day is coming up, so that would be a great time to maybe get Dad in if he wants to do
Yes,
this.
give them a gift certificate. Have them come in. We'll be glad to talk to them about all the options that we have out there for them. And it's a great way to introduce them because, you know, not all people want to have a procedure done, but, you know, there are things that we can suggest that are non-surgical
Right.
or even skincare to help rejuvenate you and make you feel better and look good.
That's right. Yeah, he doesn't have to do anything surgical if he doesn't want to. There's so many other things you can do
Right,
for skincare and such. Well, thank you for coming, Dale. You look great.
Well, thank you for having us.
Yes, congratulations on everything.
Thank you.
We appreciate you coming and telling us more about Dr. Yee, of course.
And she's got a fabulous staff and surgery center with her own operating room, so it's great.
Thank you for coming in. He's a good spokesperson.
He
isn't
is. He's wonderful.
We want to remind you, yeah, the Cosmetic and Laser Surgery Center. It's right over there on Highway 10, just past 430 on Highway 10 on the right. Cantrell Road, 2241044. Also go to the website, right, because you can see before and afters there
Yes.
too and get an idea. But they'd love for you to come by and sit down and just talk about what you would like to do. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks, Dale.
Thank
Good
you.
to meet you.